Let's get ready to rumble!
This is the New York session stream taken as part of our Road to Funded series. If you're joining us for the first time, welcome. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you get anything of value. And don't forget to turn on that notification bell because we are live every weekday, Monday to Friday, 7:30 a.m. Eastern. That's 12:30 p.m. Watt, West African time. With that being said, let's get into the charts. All right. Good morning, y'all. How's everybody doing? Hope everybody's doing well. Hope everybody doing well. Hope you guys had a good rest of the trading. Well, I didn't stream yesterday, so hope you guys had a good trading day yesterday. I myself had a few buys on GJ here. Well, I say a few, but it was only one trade. I got involved with this push up during Asian session. Got some quick pips off of that, quick 20 some pips or so. Yeah, so we got a little bit back, right? We got a little bit back, got a little bit we inched just ever so closely or closer to the profit targets, right? So now we're at 220. So really all that's standing in our way from a funded account is $30. So but we'll try not to think about it too much. I mean, at the end of the day, it's gonna be difficult not to think about it. But you know, you gotta try not to think about it and just trade like you normally would, right? So that's gonna be the aim for the day. All right, cool. Is my mic on? Yes, it is. All right, let's get into the charts, yo. August is about to be over. That's pretty crazy to think about, no? Yeah, the week's been flying. Like we're already in Thursday, bro. This week just started. We're already in Thursday. August already over. It's crazy. It really is crazy, but hey, we thank God for life, right? We alive, so we thank God. All right, man, let's get it. All right, this monthly is bearish. All right, monthly we have one more day left in the month, so basically Friday, right? We got today and Friday left in this monthly candle. Like I said, we've been around these areas, so price has basically just been hanging around these areas here, right? So that tells me that, that tells me price wants to do something here, right? It's preparing for a big move, right? We're sort of consolidating now, so sort of think of it as a snake, right? Coiled up, a little python strike. Which no, it's not the python. Which is the snake that lunges at people? Cobras, I think. Yeah, I think that one. So yeah, think of it like that. So we've been hanging around these areas here, right, for a while now. So we came all the way up here. So we've been pushing up since for the better part of the month, came all the way up here, and then we just started fluctuating. We just started consolidating, right? I mean, even within this consolidation, the range of consolidation is wide enough where we've had entries and all of that. So it's not like we're just stagnant per se, right? But like if you zoom out, right, you can see a clear consolidation. We'll see that when we go down to the 4-hour time frame and all that. But basically what that's telling me, combined with the fact that we have 2 more days left for this candle to close, what that's telling me is we're either gonna reject at some point and just start pushing straight up, like we're gonna flip on this monthly and then you'll see like a big push maybe on Friday, or we're just gonna melt, right? We're gonna hit a rejection area and just start to melt, right? For now, this is all speculation, right? For now, that's just speculation. We'll see exactly what happens. For all we know, we close exactly like this and we don't really move that much, right? So we'll see. I believe Friday we have news. I believe. I'm not too sure, but I think Friday we have some major news. I think it's core CPI or something like that. I don't know. We'll double check on that, but yeah, we'll see what happens though. We'll see what happens. Let's go down to the weekly. So like I said, right, if you look at this weekly candle, granted for the weekly this is about what 250 pips, but still all we've been doing is we've just been consolidating around these areas here, right? So we've been consolidating just around these areas for the whole week. That's all we've been doing, just going up and down just around these areas, right? So I mean, we'll see what's gonna happen here. I think once you get that clean closure above these areas, right? Once you get that clean closure above, maybe on the 4 hour or on the hourly, then you should really see price start to push, right? You should really see price start to push. I mean, if price is gonna follow the script here, it's most likely gonna do more of this today, and then tomorrow we're gonna see a big move, right? So I think once we really break out of this this range here, right, either to the top side, right, and then really push up, or to the downside and, you know, really push down, right? Or you could push down and then up, right? Because what my initial thought of what would happen here, based on how this previous weekly candle closed, was that we're gonna come down, create a bottom wick, a steeper bottom wick, right? Maybe around these areas here, right? Take out this previous weekly lows and then come back up, right? That's what my initial thought was. But for most of the week, we've just been consolidating for the most part, right? Go on to the daily. So on the daily, you can see that consolidation as well, right? You can see that this is 1 2 3 4. So this was your whole week right here, right? This was your whole week right here, right? So you didn't really move much. You really didn't move much, right? So yeah, we'll see what wants to happen though. We'll see what wants to happen. So previous daily closed bearish. So we closed bearish, still respecting this support, still in this range. So I'd consider this 192.5 to 192.3, right, or 192.2. That's the range we're sort of in, right? That's the range we've been fighting to break out of. So I mean, as soon as we can get a clean closure above or below, I think you should be good to really drive, right? But it's got to be like a clean closure, probably a 4 hour closure, I'd say. Yeah, probably a 4 hour closure would be nice. 4 hour closure would be nice. Yeah, but yeah, we'll see what happens as price forms here. There's really no, there's no clear bias. I mean, if we look to the left, we're still in this whole downtrend, right? We are still in this whole downtrend. So I mean, do with that as you will, but also keep in mind this monthly can flip at any time. And if it flips, I mean, originally I thought, okay, if we flip here, most likely we're just gonna come up. Well, not most likely, but I thought this was a possibility, right? That we would just come up, create a steeper top wick, and then continue to push down. But with how much we've basically stalled around these areas, if we flip on this monthly and we close bullish on like the 4 hour or the hourly above a level, most likely we're gonna drive up, right? Most likely we're gonna push up, but we'll see what happens, right? We'll see what happens. Right now, I don't really have a clear bias per se. All right, we need to see some closures to really develop a bias, to be honest. Yeah, we're back below this level as well. Right, we're back below this level. We've never once closed above this rejection level here, which makes me think that at some point here you're gonna drive down towards 188. All right, but we'll see. We will see. No clear bias as of now, though. This is more just ranging. To be honest. I mean, you can play the range as well. I mean, that's what I did yesterday, right? The buys I took yesterday was basically this, right? Just to come back and retest these highs. I mean, I didn't hold all the way to the highs, to be honest. I could have. Hey. Nah, let me not say that. Nah. Yeah, so I mean, yeah, yesterday the buys I took was just to test these highs. I mean, I didn't hold the whole position to these highs. I closed early, but you know, all that just to say you can play the ranges, right? Is it safe to play the ranges? I mean, if you got a good strategy around playing the ranges, then sure. But if not, I'd say you're better off just staying out of it, to be honest. All right, probably look at some other pairs that are trending. But yeah, we'll see what happens here. Let me see, 4 hour. Yeah, the cleanest closure you can get here for like buys would be above 192.5, which on the 4 hour is above everything here, but you might be able to get some early entries. Oh yeah, that would be a beautiful close. If you somehow pushed up here, closed above 192.5, you're clean to drive up to at least 193.3. But yeah, we'll see what happens with that one. For now, it's really just more consolidation than anything. All right, moving on to the hourly. So I mean, yeah, I mean, I don't even want to be involved with any of this, to be honest with you. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do, I mean, we could play the ranges. Like I said, we really could play the ranges, or the range, right? We could play the range, look for some entries within the range. But what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna just mark my extremes and wait for the 4 hour closure. I'm not keen on taking anything on GJ early here anyways. 191.4. Okay, so all right, so like you see this hourly candle that's about to close. This is what I mean by playing the ranges. Now you're closing back into the range. Well, you have, I mean, there's an overall range, which is pretty much this, right? There's an overall, I mean, you could extend this as well. It's the overall range, right? But yeah, there's an overall range, but then you know you have smaller ranges within, right? So if you look right here, oh, you're not even closing back into the range, you're just respecting the range, right? Yeah, so I mean, yeah, this is what I mean by we could play the ranges, right? See how this candle is now pushing up. If you close bullish on this candle, I mean, depending on where you close, you could probably start taking your buys up, right? I mean, I would say if you closed above 191.1, yeah, those would be valid buys, to be honest with you, right? I mean, you have a potential range here, so if you close above here as well, all right, you close above here, you could take the buys towards 191.1. If you close above 191.1, you can take the buys towards 191.4. So I mean, there are a bunch of things you could do here. You could play the ranges, but I'm not keen on that, really. I'm not really keen on playing these ranges, to be honest with you. So I'm gonna just highlight the overall ranges and see pretty much how that 4 hour is gonna close, to be honest. Yeah, cool. So yeah, I'm not gonna take any sells or any positions here until we really get a good closure. Yeah, even this I don't like, to be honest. Let's push this up here. All right. Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna leave my levels. Hey, come on. There you go. I'm gonna leave my levels like this for now. I really don't want to take anything in here. All right. So I mean, once we get that 4 hour closure, we should really know off that 4 hour closure, I think. But before then, yeah, we'll let price do what it wants to do. I would like to get the early entries, right? Because if we are gonna start driving, if we're gonna drive, right, we're gonna drive from within the range. So I mean, if you can get the position within the range and then sort of ride that out of the range, your stops are safe, right? It's like as soon as you break that range, you're not coming back to your, I mean, depends on where you take the position, right? But if you get in there early enough, you're pretty much safe. You're pretty much guaranteed profit, right? I highly doubt you're gonna come back and retest at least before the end of the week. Yeah. All right, man. So yeah, these are my levels for now, man. These are my levels for now. What was that? I was looking to tap into where? I was looking to tap into this level here. This is 189.2. Okay, that's okay. So that makes sense. That makes sense. That's the 4-hour lows. So yeah, that makes sense. That's a level on the hourly as well. All right, cool. So let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens here. I mean, the only thing I can really see, or the only thing I'm willing to take here would be the sells. Like if this hourly came down, now, close bearish below here, yeah, I'd be willing to take those sells. But otherwise, yeah, I don't. Again, you could play the ranges, right? You could play the ranges, which I have done already earlier this week for profit, right? So you could play the ranges, but I'm not really willing to. Yeah, I'm not really willing to play that game here, to be honest. Yeah, I'd prefer we you know, close above or close below these ranges first, and then we can start getting involved. But yeah, we'll see. But if this hourly closes below though, if this hourly closes below here, I'll take a sell. I'll take those sells. That's pretty much the only thing I'd be willing to take right now. But yeah, that's pretty much it for GJ though. That's it for GJ. Let's see how yeah, let's see how we form. All right, let's go on to gold real quick. Gold's a lot more what's the word? A lot more inviting here. Yeah, I mean, gold's been pretty much straightforward the whole week, to be honest with you. I'm surprised you know, I think we focused a little bit too much on GJ for this week, if I'm being honest with you. Yeah, we should have focused a lot more on gold. Yeah, but hey, it is what it is. So yeah, monthly on gold bullish, of course. Weekly bullish, daily bullish. Well, no, daily close bearish, right? Daily close bearish, respecting this level. You're coming up now, but this could, I mean, you did still close bearish, right? You're respecting the level, granted, but you still close bearish. So now this push up is what? This push up could either be a top wick, right? Maybe you come up here, take out this previous high, or you take out all-time highs, right? And then you flip and you start to drive down. Maybe fill this range and the rest of this the rest of this range right here, right? Or fill this wick, fill this wick, or the rest of this range down here. Or you could just, I mean, you have a bottom wick, right? You already have a bottom wick, so you don't, like, nothing is stopping you from pushing up here, right? You don't need to stay here, right? You don't need to stay here, right? But we'll see. But I do think though, if we take out all-time highs here, we're probably gonna drive up. I don't think we're gonna come back. All right, why do I say that? Because if you look to the left here, you see how you had this candle. So you closed above on this bullish candle, then you came down here for a bottom wick, then you drove up to create the all-time highs, right? All right, so you had something like this, then you drove up there to create the all-time highs. So now you came back, right? You came back. This peak here never took out these all-time highs, right? This peak right here, he never took out these all-time highs. So basically what that means to me is that price reached here and was like, I bet we don't have enough momentum, right, to drive through this resistance, right, to push through these all-time highs, right? So we need to come back, grab some more liquidity, and then push, right? Like we used the analogy of, you know, trying to bust down through a door, right? Price was right here trying to break this door down. It was like, nah, that's not working, right? So let me pull back, let me gain some momentum, and then push through that door, right? So I mean, now we've come back down here, we've created this bottom wick over here. If you don't, if now that you're pushing up like this, if you don't take out this high and you flip, if we don't take out the all-time highs and we flip, trust that we're coming back for some more liquidity. And this is the minimum. The minimum you should expect is 24.85, right? If you don't take out the all-time highs and flip though. If you push through and you push through these all-time highs, what that's saying to me is this pullback now was enough momentum, right? This pullback that you had here, right, was enough momentum. So once you break through this, maybe you get a closure with that breakthrough, you get a closure say on the hourly or whatever, boom, you should continue pushing up, right? I don't know if we have news today, but you know, in the absence of news, you should continue pushing up, right? But yeah, we will see. All right, going on to the 4. So you got, okay, got your levels there. Let me see, 4 there, and say here. Okay. All right, so boom, so this 4 hour, it looks like you closed above, right? You closed above on the previous 4, came down with a bottom wick, pushed up, filled this wick already, right? You already filled this wick to the left. You might continue pushing up, or you might just start rejecting now, right? Because technically, yeah, I mean, technically you've tapped into this resistance. It's not really it's not a particular price point, right? It's more of a level. It's more of a range rather, right? So you're around these areas. You tapped into around these areas. So that might be your top wick to drive down, but we'll see. All right, hourly. So just like always, you know, I mean, I'm bullish, so range 1 buys. All right, I am bullish. Range 2 sells. That's here. All right, cool. All right, just like always, the levels are pretty straightforward on gold. Now it's just a matter of, are we gonna form as straightforward around these levels? Let us see. Find out next time on Dragon Ball Z. Interesting where we respected though, because if you look to the left here, see this level here, see how heavy we drove down from this level here. Look at that heavy drop. Yeah, so interesting that one there. And we're closing bearish on the hourly. That 4 hour, this 4 hour candle might come for a flip now. Yeah, if you flip, I mean, really, to confirm that you're gonna have that larger drive down, you need the daily to flip. But if you flip on this 4 hour and close bearish, it's a good start. This hourly about to close bearish. I'm not gonna take any sells though, because I am not my bias is in the other direction, so I'm gonna have to wait for a range 2 closure below. But yeah, if you're coming back down now, to close below these ranges here. My fault. All right, 3 2 1. So yeah, you came back down to close below these ranges. You're most likely gonna drive down, fill the rest of this range. Yeah, I mean, I don't see why you wouldn't. There's really no other level here to bounce off of. Let me see, did the hourly close respecting though? No, hourly close below there. Let me see. Okay. Yeah, hourly close respecting that one, but below here. Yeah, I think you're gonna drive down to 25.16. just because, you know, I don't really see anywhere else to reject off of. I mean, technically you're respecting this level here on the hourly. You are still respecting that level on the hourly, so I mean, I guess that would be your level to reject off of. So yeah, I mean, if you close below this level on, say, the 5, you're most likely gonna drive down, right? Whether you drive down with a top wick or not, I don't know. Or sorry, without a top wick or not, I don't know. But yeah, I think what you would be expecting here, if you were gonna play this, I think wait for a top wick. So wait for this candle to flip, tap into this area here, right? Get a top wick here, and maybe if you get a 5-minute closer below or a 15-minute, you can take those sells. Yeah, that'd be interesting to see. But we're just driving down here though. We're not really making a top wick. Interesting. All right, how did GJ close? So GJ closed on some bullshit. Yeah, GJ closed on some bullshit. Yeah, it's probably gonna be a 4-hour thing for me on GJ, man. I mean, this GJ currently has no top wick, so I mean, yeah, I don't know what I was about to say, but yeah, I got nothing here. This range is just rangy, man. It's just rangy. Yeah, you're still pushing down here on gold though, which is interesting. Yeah, I mean, if you continue to push down on gold, no top wick for this hourly, and this 4-hour flips while we have no top wick on the hourly, we might drive down. We might just begin that drive down what we're talking about, right? But we'll see. We'll see. I mean, my bias is to the top side, right? I am bullish, so I can't really get involved, at least not yet. Yeah, what I would like to see is this candle flip, create a top wick here, right? And then get like a 15-minute closer bearish, right? If we get a 15-minute closer bearish inside this range, I might consider the sells towards this level down here, right? Because if you're closing below this range now, bearish on the 15, you don't have any, you don't have anywhere else to sort of reject off of, right? You have to tap into this level. So or you could just continue pushing down here now and tap 25.16. So we'll see. Yeah, 25.16 is the flip of the 4, right? Yeah, well, not the flip, the break of the lows. Yeah, if you continue pushing down there without a top wick, you tap 25.16, you might just continue to melt, but we'll see. Because think of this move sort of as think of it as one big move, right? You have 2 candles here on the hourly, but think of it as one big move. Because look where price came back to before this candle closed. Oh well, no, that's oh yeah. My fault, yo. Damn. Yeah, look where we closed. You see where we closed? You see how you sort of have a tap here and then you drove all the way down here? I mean, you have more than one tap. You have one tap here, 2 taps here, and a big push down. So think of this as one big move, right? So before this candle closed, this candle was coming down. We came to this level here and then we pulled back. So basically we pulled back towards this level of major rejection, right? So once this new candle opened up, you're already at that level, so you didn't need to pull back anymore, which is why you had no top wick here, right? So once this new candle opened, you've already tapped that level, so now you're just pushing down, right? So if you end up melting here, this would make sense, right? It would make sense, or at least like your reason for melting without making a top wick would make sense, right? That's what I mean. But yeah, we'll see. But the way we're stalling here, to make a top wick, so a 5-minute just close, no top wick, yeah, you might drive down here. High chance you drive down here, but it's one thing to see it, it's another thing to get some entries off of it. I got no entries right now. Maybe one day though, maybe one day. Yeah, we'll keep all these ones in mind, you know. If we see it enough times, I mean, I've seen it enough times to where I recognize it, right? But not enough times to where I can draw a conclusion from it, right? Yeah, so if we see it more times, we just take a mental note of how it, you know, how it concluded, and you know, we can turn that into an entry, a potential entry as well. All right, so we'll see. Yeah, we're pushing down. High chance we tap 25.16 here before we flip. We might not even flip, truth be told. Yeah, you take out those 4-hour lows and you could be in Narnia, man. I ain't gonna lie to you. You could be in Narnia, bruv. Well, so our current profit, so let me clear this off. Oh man, I'm not gonna be able to trade, so no stream tomorrow. It's no stream tomorrow. Yeah, if we can't get funded, if we can't if we can't get a trade today, well, not today, if we can't get a trade this session, I'll trade Asian session, because I'm not gonna be here on Friday, sadly. Yeah, I won't be here on Friday. So you know, if we can't get a position this session, if we don't get any trades this session, I'll be here, God willing, in Asian session as well. What was that about to change? Current profit, right? Yeah. So we are sitting nicely at 219. 219, which is about what? Yeah, it's 80 something percent. We'll say 88%, something like that. Something like that. I don't have the calculator with me. Oh yeah, I do. I found the calculator. Everybody calm down. I found the calculator. What is that? 219. Hey, we're not off. It's 87.6%. It's pretty much 88%. Hey, the mathematics, I'm nice with it. Yes, sir. All right, let's see what's going on. The hourly on GJ still has no bottom wick, which is interesting. Okay, let's see. I got some trades to put in my trade journal. Yo, I gotta stop being lazy with the trade journal, man. Cause I'll take a trade and my first thought is like, yo, put it in the journal. But then I won't do it, and before you know, it's like, you know, few days have passed and I don't even remember the position anymore. It's a bad habit. My 26. I haven't taken a trade since 26. That's a lie. Took a trade yesterday, bro. 29, 27. Come on, dog. How far back is this? Yo, I'm also on BS, bro. Minus 24.84. Bro, I have so many trades I haven't put in. Really? Nah, I swear I put this in. Nah. This gotta be something else. This has to be something else. What the heck? 26. Really? Yo, I'm cooked, bro. Yeah, I'm cooked. I don't know why I don't put this in. Damn, man. Yeah, man. All right, yeah. I gotta change that. I gotta stop doing that. Yeah, as soon as we take a trade, we should put it in the journal, you know? Gotta get better at that. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4. Bro, we got like 5 trades here, man. 6 trades. Granted, this DJ trade was pretty much the same position. All right. Cool. Let's see what Guando. Let's see what Guan. It's a note for myself. A note for myself. Oh yeah, news. Do we have news? Oh, we do have news. Okay, we got news at 8:30. Jobless claims doesn't really do much usually. GDP growth rate and jobless claims. Let's see. So yeah, Friday we got news as well. I'm pretty sure we have heavier news. Yeah, core PCE price index, personal income, Michigan. Yeah, so Friday is the heavy news day, which is why I'm thinking maybe GJ stalls a little bit more for today and then we take off tomorrow, but we might just start the move from today. So we'll see. We will see. Yeah, we still haven't flipped. This 15 is gonna close with no top wick. Yeah, I think we're gonna keep on driving down here, man. I do think we're gonna keep on driving down here, but we have no entries. We got no entries. Rapid fire questions. All right. We're approaching a 15-minute close. Yeah, I think we are gonna continue pushing down here, and if that translates into this 4-hour taking out its own lows, you're gonna see a drive down, most likely. But no entries as of yet. GJ is interesting though. We're coming down, no top wick on GJ as well. Really interesting. Let's see. Which level are we sort of pushing here? Are you pushing? We closed above this. Yeah. Yeah, so if you were gonna flip you would do it from this level, right? Yeah, and if not this level, it would be this. So yeah, well, we got news at 8:30 though, so we'll see what happens. Yeah, we're still pushing down, taking out these lows again. Yeah, man. Yeah, you might just see this push. It's cool if we do, right? But we have no entries, so we sort of have to just watch it at this point. So you just gotta sort of watch it at this point. We can't even play the top wick because really we might not even come up for a top wick, right? Like I said, the rejection has already happened, right? The rejection of 25.20 already happened before this candle opened, so this candle could just be a continuation of that move, right? So we'll see what happens here. Oh, I've been here before. My fault. Yeah. Okay, my fault. Lost in sauce. All right, 15 minutes is closed, right? 15 minutes is closed. Yeah, you're definitely gonna flip on that 4. Well, you already flipped. It's more we're gonna take out those lows. High chance. Very probable. Highly probable. Highly probable you take out those lows. Partially probable that we drive down, right? Let's see, 15 closer on GJ, similar, respecting this. Yeah, you're probably gonna push up and create a top wick for GJ anyways. Gold though, yeah, gold might not come up for a top wick. I ain't gonna lie. Ain't gonna cap. All right, boom, there you go. So that's TPs. If we took the cells coming down, those would be TPs right there, or at least break even. So now you took out those lows. Let's see what happens now. You've taken out those lows. Let's see what happens. Are we gonna drive or are we gonna push back up? We got news in 15 minutes as well, so hey, keep that in mind. Oof. Yo, you got athletes out here, dog. People be athletic out here. What the hell? Can you feel the love tonight? All right, let's see. Oh yeah, we just chilling right now, yo. We just chilling. Y'all enjoy the music. Nothing going on right now. Yeah, GJ coming for that top wick. Yeah, I think one of the hardest parts about, trading is my fault. Yeah, one of the hardest parts about trading is knowing how to sit on your hands, right? Right, you don't, because technically it's a job, right? Not a job, but like, it's an activity where you expect, you're expecting a, what's it called? You're expecting what is it, reward for your effort, or what is it, like a bang for your buck, You're expecting a turnout for your time, right? You're trading your time for potential profit, so it's hard to just sit here and just look at the chart sometimes without feeling like you have to be in the action, right? That's I think that's one of the more, those are one of those nuance things that, you know, they don't really tell you about. Well, a lot of people talk about it now, right? Like the psychology of trading it's more talked about now than maybe, you know, in the last few decades. But it's one of those things, right? You get it from experience. You just get it from experience, really. All right, because you can read it, you know, you can read it like, oh, don't FOMO, don't get into any position just because you've been on the charts for 12 hours and you haven't seen a position, right? But you know, it's not real until it's real, right? It's not real until it's real. So it all comes down to experiencing it, and you know, failing at first and then learning from that and moving forward from there. All right, so I mean, we've called, quote unquote called, right? Because if you have no entries, you haven't called anything, right? But I just understood with the way price forms, you're most likely gonna come down here, right? With the way this candle closed, with the way price formed, with the way this 5-minute candle closed, we understood we're most likely gonna tap 25.16 and potentially continue to drop on this 4-hour, or you know, we might just start to push up, right? We called that a while ago, right? GJ, we called this rejection from this level to push up, right? So these are all things we quote unquote called, right? But if you have no entries, you just got to sit on your hands, right? Because it's very easy to you know, make those calls and have them feel like missed opportunities. But if you're being realistic, it was never an opportunity. An opportunity not taken is not one that was wait, no, what the fuck? I was about to say I was trying to say some like philosophical shit, but that was gonna come out very wrong. Nope. What's it? So an opportunity missed, no, not missed. A bird in hand, nope, that's not it. Yeah, I don't know, man. If you did, bottom line is, if you didn't have entries, you didn't miss anything, right? It doesn't matter. If I can call the exact price point, right? I could be like, okay, we're about to start melting in 3, 2, 1, and we just start to melt clean to 25.04, right? I could call the exact price point, the exact time we're gonna melt, and price actually does it. It doesn't mean anything, right? If I didn't have any entries, right? That's why a lot of times, right, a lot of people, they'll say like, oh, and I'm guilty of this too, right? I'm guilty of it too. But like a lot of times, you know, some traders will be like, oh, I knew price was gonna do XYZ, blah blah blah, and then they feel a little bad because they didn't take it, right? If you were so sure that price was gonna do XYZ, you would have taken that position. That's just the fact, right? So even though you quote unquote knew price was gonna do it, you had no entries, right? You still had zero, you had no entries. So you can't be mad about it. You can't be mad about it. You can't be mad about it. That's like getting mad for, like, you know, say you're in a position, you close at 10 pips and price drives for another 50 pips, right? You can't be mad about it, right? I mean, you can be mad about it if you closed off of, like, you know, off of impulse, right? If you didn't close with a plan in mind, then sure, you'll be mad about it, right? But you're most likely gonna be mad because, you know, you didn't stick to your strategy, or, you know, your strategy for managing risk and all of that. But yeah, man, if you never held the treasure, if you never held the gold, you can't complain when the price of, I don't know, man. I'll be trying to say, like, I'll be trying to speak in a philosophical manner, but it doesn't work out most of the time. Yeah, look at that 5 closure, no bottom wick, no top wick. Or yeah, no bottom wick. You're pushing up. If you continue to drive up here, without flipping on this candle, I mean, you got news in 5 minutes, so we'll see. Yeah, this is This is getting interesting. Yeah, things are about to get active. I think things are about to get active. Things are getting interesting here. 4 hour flipping. Sorry, not 4 hour. GJ flipped. GJ flipped. Looks like we might close bullish on this 30. That's the 4 hour potentially flipping as well. Oh, is this the push up we're gonna need to get out of this range? Maybe. Find out next time on unemployment claims, or is it what's the news? Jobless claims. All right, 3 minutes for news. Let's see what happens. Can the music help us here? 3 minutes for news. Hey, return to who? Why could they feed the I said dog don't suffer for night, man. Dog don't suffer for night. I gotta feed dog jollof rice and egg. Boiled egg, man, not even fried egg. Jollof rice and boiled egg. Shy, true shy. Boiled egg don't cost, so if you feed your dog boiled egg, that means you get compassion and you get the grace of God. He the dean now. That nigga been eating. That's crazy. Oh, that's news. That's news. My fault, yo. I lost in the sauce. All right, there goes news right there. There goes news. There goes news. Gotta keep vigilant these days, man. My fault, y'all. That's bad on me. That's bad on me. All right, so most of the high impact news came out bullish, right? Most of the high impact news came out bullish. So we should be going down, right? We should be going down, which is also in line with price action. Okay. All right, let's see. GJ 30 closed bullish. Cool. They already closed bullish. This 4 hour doing bullish things as well. Okay. Que lo que. I don't know why I have such an affinity for GJ, man. I really should just be focusing on gold right now. Yeah, GJ. Alright, I'm gonna just focus on gold, man. Yeah, I'm gonna leave GJ to its own devices. Alright, cool. So we closed bullish. Oh, sorry, not closed bullish. News came out positive, right? News came out positive, or majority positive anyways, in terms of the high impact news. So we should be going down here, which we are going down, in fact. All right, that 4 hour flipped. I wish this move happened without news so that we could have gotten involved, but that's basically the move we were looking for. That's the move we were looking for. Let me see. So this 4 hour level is where, let me see, where is this 4 hour level? So you got a potential level there to reject off of, and then you got a potential level here. The daily flip is where, way below those as well. Okay. All right, cool. All right, so let's see how this 5 minute closes. If we can close below, yeah, I'm looking to close below here. If we can close below there, we'll get involved with the sells. If we can close below here, we'll get involved with these sells. Yeah, but we need to push a little bit more here. We need to push a little bit more. See, and that's the 4 hour, right? Okay. So ideally what we want to see here, ideally you want to see a closure below here without tapping into this level 2506, right? You want to see a closure below here without tapping into 2506. So yeah, let's just get ready here. Let's just get ready. In terms of stops, I mean, if you start flipping on this 4, it's pretty much wraps, but yeah, I guess you could go up here. All right. Yeah, nah, actually, yeah. If you flip on this 4, it's wraps, man. You're coming up to tap that level. I'm not even gonna hold that. Not at all. Not at all gonna hold that one. Yeah, that joint flip. Well, yeah, I guess I'll put it up here. Why not? Why not? All right, cool. Cool. Let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens. I mean, we got news on our side, right? We do have news. We do got the volume from news. So, you know. Okay, let's see. Okay, you know what? I think a closure below here would be good too. Yeah, closure below here would be good. I'd take those sells as well. Yeah, so a closure below here, closure below this this level here, I'd take that as well. Let's see what happens. I'll take that with a top wick. We get a top wick with that, I'll take that. But yeah, we're still pushing up here though. We're still pushing up here. Okay, couple seconds left. Couple seconds left. All right, so there goes your 5, but we're pushing up, or we're pushing down without a top wick. So let's make a top wick. Okay, there goes your top wick. If you can come back and take out these lows again, I'll get into a position. Yeah, if you take out these lows again, I'll be in a position. So 2527. Three. Okay, you're coming down here. So you flipped on that 5. Can we take out those lows now? Can we take out those lows? Can we take out those lows? Yeah, if we take out those lows, our vantage point is looking like we got about a 20 pip vantage point, I think. Well, maybe not 20 pips. Let's say maybe here, yeah, around here, which is what? Yeah, we take out those lows, we got about a actually it's about 4 pips. It's not the best, is it? But look where we made a top wick though. Yeah, I think, yeah, right here. Yeah, we take out those lows, I think we got at least a 17 pip vantage point. About a 17 pip vantage point. Let's see what happens here though. Let's see what happens here. Yeah, this is a good top wick though. This is a good top wick. If we don't take out these lows on this 5, all right, if we don't take out the lows on this 5, but we close bearish below here on the 5, I'll take a flip. Right, as soon as that 5-minute flips, I'll take that instead. How can I make my stop loss bigger than my so I have a high win percentage. With the way I trade, I have a high win percentage. So it like I'm winning like 9 trades. Okay, 1 second. We're about to almost maybe take out those lows. Let's see. But yeah, so I'm winning more than I'm losing, right? To a significant degree. I got about a 80% or 70 to 80% win rate, right? So coupled with my larger or my less or my smaller RR, I mean, I'm making profit at the end of the day, right? So that's all that matters. Plus most of my with the way I take my trades, I have so many confluences, like I have so many boxes that I need to tick off that most times, so I'm not taking a lot of trades, but most of the trades I take are pretty much A+ setups. So, you know, I price rarely just, you know, it rarely just hits my stop loss, right? It's very rare that even if I take a L, that price hits my stop loss. I usually manage before. So if that answers your question. All right, we're about to take out those lows. We would have been in on the flip, but we did still close respecting the level, so hence why we didn't get in on the flip. So let's see. Imagine I just said my trades don't usually hit full stops, and then as soon as I take this sell, we just hit full stops. Poetic justice, huh? Absolutely crazy. All right, we're coming down, still haven't taken out those lows. Okay, we're about to take out the lows. We need to close with a bottom wick though. So this 5 about to close as well. Bottom, ooh, we have a bottom wick there. Ay baba. Yeah, that just went, huh? Damn, that just went. Yeah, I'm not a fan of that close. Ay ba. Yeah, we're gonna drive down, but I don't like how we close though. We have yeah, I guess we do have a bottom wick, but we open no top wick. We're about to flip. Let's see. Yeah, nah, because if I take this, what's my vantage point? It's about 6 pips, 7 pips. It's not the best, is it? Okay, what's the 4-hour level? Yeah, that's the 4-hour level right there too. Damn. Yeah, 6 pips ain't the best. Yeah, I mean, we could take this, but I don't like it as much. Because now our vantage point is about 6 pips. Damn. Damn, yeah, you're pushing down. You're gonna push down here, huh? Ay, baba. Ay, yeah, we're gonna have to watch that one. We're gonna have to just watch that one happen without us. That's unfortunate. That's unfortunate. That's unfortunate. Hey, so yeah, right there we would have been BE. We would have been BE right here. Yeah, that's unfortunate. That's unfortunate. That's on us, to be honest. That's on us, to be honest, because I mean that five closed bearish. And I guess it was a 15-minute move. It was a move on the 15, so I could have taken it. But yeah. Such is how the cookie crumbles, man. You win, you lose, or not lose some. You miss some, you get some. It is what it is. We were looking for those sells, but yeah, I don't like how we closed. Well, how we closed was pretty ambiguous because I was looking at my broker at my MT4, and I really wasn't seeing that bottom wick. It almost looked like we closed no bottom wick, but I guess with the volume from news, it shouldn't matter. But c'est la vie, c'est la vie. But yeah, times, you see how we just didn't take that move right there, times. That's what I mean, right? I wait for very specific things to happen before I take the position. So, you know, very rarely does price just kill my stop loss, right? So most times I'm taking a good enough position where I have the opportunity to manage risks, usually anyways, right? If everything is according to plan. Hey, yeah, that could have been the one, y'all. That could have been the one. That could have been the one. That could have been the one to get us funded, but hey, it is what it is. On to the next opportunity. Hey, let's get it. Let's get it. We still here. We active. We active. We still here. We still here. We still here. And hey, we still have this 4-hour closure coming up, right? We have this 4-hour closure coming up as well. Damn, we just pushed straight through that 4-hour level, huh? Hey, but come on, you gotta give me some props. We played that. Our analysis from the morning was spot on. Like, this analysis was spot on, man. That's beautiful. But it doesn't matter at the end of the day. If you don't take a position, it don't matter, because we're not here to predict things, right? We're here to make some money. But yeah, let's see how this 15-minute closes, though. Let's see how this 15 closes. Let's see how we close on this 15. Okay. Yeah, so that would be down here. Okay, 15-minute about to close. Yeah, nah, I can't really take any entries here. I mean, apart from the fact that we have news, or we have volume from news here, that's pretty much all I can, I can say right now. Because where did we close respecting? We closed respecting here. We still made a how many pips is this? Let me see. How many pips is this? All right, let me hurry up here. How many pips is this? This is 14 pips. Okay, I'll tell you what, though. If we take out these lows again, I'll take a sell. Yeah, if we take out those lows, I'm gonna take a sell. But now my stops are crazy. Well, yeah, now my stops would be these highs, isn't it? Yeah. Well, no, they don't need to be those highs. They can just be the flip of this candle, to be honest. Because if we flip on this candle, we're pretty much done. All right, we're done. Oh, yeah, we flip on that candle, we're done. Yeah, but if we come back and tap these lows, most likely you're gonna see at least let me see. That's 25. 25, boom. Yeah, if you come back and take out these lows, you should see, with the way this 15 close, you take out these lows, you should see at least 2503.47 get tapped. Yeah, cool. Yeah, let's see if we can tap into this level here, or let's see if we can take out this low. I'll take a sell. If we can take out this low right here, I'll take a sell. All right, need for speed. Ooh, okay, it's happening. Something's happening. 2520. Okay, coming down here, and we take out those lows. We just might. Okay, we just took out the lows. I just took a sell right there. Just took a sell right there. Vantage point here is 2503.637. That's the vantage point. We're approaching. Okay, right there I'm gonna go break even. 504.78. 8. Boom. Okay, boom. So right there I went break even. Yeah, we just tapped. Yeah, we tapped into break even. We tapped BE. We tapped BE, unfortunately. We just tapped BE. All right, so that's our first attempt at a sell. Yeah, so we got in on literally the tail end of the move, right? So that was our attempt at a sell. So that was a pretty quick one. In and out. So that's BE. We actually made a, how did we make a profit there? How did I make a profit? Somehow I made a profit there. I don't know how I made a profit, but we made a profit, right? Hold up. Oh, yeah, maybe I'm bugging. Let me see. Or did we just not lose anything? Oh, okay. Gotcha. Yeah, so that gold trade came out at BE. I mean, it was a long shot. But hey, it is what it is. So trades taken, gold. How much did we see there though? We see up to like, so that was like 12 pips. So we probably saw like $12 or something. Okay. All right, so that's another BE right there. Let me see. Monthly. That's another one for the BE column. That's another one for the break even column. And the record is 49. Okay. Boom. All right. Let's see if we can get an actual position here. Let's see if we can get an actual position. Quote unquote actual position. I do think we're gonna keep pushing down though. I don't think we're done, but we'll see. So this would be the, let's see, where's the hourly level here? That would be this, right? Okay, That's your hourly level. Your 4 hour is where I just hope if we can not tap into this level yet, but until we close on the 4, that would be great. That would be great. Just saying. Yeah. Okay, 30. Okay, cool. All right, let's see what happens. Let's see. Yeah, GJ pushing up as well. Yeah, this is gonna be an eventful 4-hour closure. This is gonna be an eventful 4-hour closure. Yeah, I'm a little peeved that we didn't take these gold cells here, man. Cause those would have been nice, man. Those would have been nice. This is about 40 pips. Ay, baba. That would have been nice. Damn. All right, let's see. What can we get here? What can we get? I swear this was 219, no? So how did I make money? I mean, I'm not complaining. I'm just wondering how I made some money here. I made $2 off of nothing. I don't understand. Yeah, I don't know where this $2 came from. This was BE. The move we just took was BE. So I don't know where $2 came from. All right. Oh man, I should probably put that down, huh? Okay, what was that? That was a 5 entry, right? Yeah, that was a 5 entry. It was more of a liquidity pool, right? Yeah, the entry was off of a liquidity pool. Let me see. I say, what's that? This is 850, so I think 845 was it? Yeah, 845. 845. New York. Gold. So sell. Really, it was a liquidity pool. Break of the current high low. Let's see. Time frame 5 minute. Pool was, I believe, 0.11. What was our 0 point something? 0.13. 0.13. There you go. All right. Coolio. All right, let's see. 31.48. All right, last 5 minutes of this 4 hour. Last 5 minutes. Hey, can we close below the range, please? Okay, GJ might be the one. We might be looking at GJ for this 4 hour close. Let's see. Let us bow our heads and pray. Let us bow our heads and pray. Amen. Amen. Okay, so the daily looks like what now? That's what the daily looks like. Ooh, now we're above these levels. Yeah, if you can close above here, you should drive up, man. 'Cause it's been a long time coming. You've been tapping that door. You've been trying to break through that door. Okay. Interesting. Interessant. Those are the highs, yeah? Cool. Yeah. I bet. Bet. Let's see how we close here on GJ. Let's see how we close here on GJ. Just stop moving. If we can just stop moving, stay exactly like this. Well, not exactly like this. You just pull back a little bit, or no, make a top wick. We chilling. We take those buys, man. Off rip. Well, not off rip, but you know, off rip. You know, we got off rip, and then we got off rip. Off rip. That's when you have like a, you know, a bottom wick, and then you push, you know. But off rip is like boom. As soon as the candle closes, boom, I'm in there. But off rip, that's different, you know. It's trader lingo, you know. This is trader slang. Yeah, you either know it or you don't. Yeah, that's what it is. You either know about it or you don't. Facts. Yeah, you in those lows right there. Okay. All right, boy. Let's see. Let us see. Will this be the one? Are we gonna go fund it right now, or are we just gonna go back into some drawdown? Let's see. Find out this time on Dragon Able AZ. Not next time, this time. Damn, if we can just close above there, man. Oh, this would be a babushka play. Oh, this would be a babushka play. Yeah, we got a potential babushka play happening here. If you don't know what a babushka play is, I'll explain it. If we actually get a dub off of it, I'll explain it. If we don't get a dub, then I will never explain it. I will erase this. I will delete this entire stream. Yeah, I'm telling you, saying that. All right, boom. We got a minute left. Let's just get ready here. Do we have more news or no? Please tell me this isn't high impact. Damn it, where's my news, bro? News. Oh my god. Fibers economic calendar. Come on, hurry up. Hurry up, my boy. Okay, today is Thursday, right? Okay, yeah, so that's, yeah, we're good for news. We're good for news. All right, let's see how we close here. We need to close above. Ideally, close above, get a bottom wick. We're in those buys. Let me see. All right, GJ, what you got for me? 9.177. All right, what you got for me, GJ? Okay, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So, okay, boom. I just took a buy. Just took a buy right there. I like the closure. We got a little bit, not much of a bottom wick, but we got a bottom wick. I like the closure as well. Yeah. So I mean, technically, vantage point is 6 pips away, but I'll wait for a 5-minute closer. If we close respecting, then you know, we'll manage. But if we close above, we're gonna hold that until what is it? 191.544. Yeah, so we're in this trade though. We're in this trade. Let's see what happens. Let me just put in my stops real quick. Put in my stops, 19.177. 7. TP is 191.852. Alright, boom. Alright, cool, y'all. We have our we got our trading. So let's see. We are currently in this position. Let us see what happens here. Let's see what happens. So our first level of potential BE is 191.463. Right, 191.463 is up here, right? But given that this is also a 4-hour closure, right? Given that it's also a 4-hour closure, we're not gonna go BE immediately, right? If we tap into that level on the 5 and we close respecting the level, then I'll look to go BE, right? But if we close above, we're gonna hold until where is that level? Where is that? Until 191.54. 191.54. All right, boom. Cool. So let's see. Where is this trade gonna go? Let us see. I mean, like I said, right? I mean, I always say this, right? Once you're entering a position without allowing price to make that bottom wick first, like a steep pullback, especially with like a 4-hour closure, once you're getting into a position without allowing for that steeper pullback first, just keep in mind that there might be drawdown, right? So those are the scales you have to balance or weigh against. Those are the things you have to weigh against each other, right? Like, are you willing to miss the move but get a more sure entry, right, that comes with a steeper pullback? Or are you willing to see some more drawdown, right? But 100% you're in the move, right? So we'll see. In my case, it was the latter, right? So I don't mind seeing some drawdown here, right? Even if we push down, I don't mind seeing that drawdown as long as we can get involved with the move. So we'll see what happens, though. All right, we're pushing up here. Has the 5 closed? Okay, no, 5 hasn't closed yet. If we can get a 5-minute bullish closure, well, that would be okay. So we just tapped. No, we haven't. Never mind. No, we haven't tapped anything yet. We're about to, though. Okay, almost. All right, pretty much, yeah. We just tapped our first potential BE level. Now let's see how this 5 closes. Most likely gonna close respecting. Yeah, you're most likely gonna close respecting on this 5. I mean, as long as it's a bullish closure, it's still okay, right? But you're most likely gonna close respecting, but we'll see. Okay, pushing up again, about to take out those highs. Okay, so you just took out the highs, you opened up. Okay, I'm gonna go break even here. Well, not break even, actually. I'm gonna move my stops. No, I'm gonna go break even. About here. Yeah. Sorry. Right there. Okay. Nah, I want this to. So how many pips did I get into this with? 0.27. So I just need about $1. Let's see. $1 there. There you go. All right, let's see. So we're currently break even on this trade. we're break even. Let's see if we survive this first vantage point. If we can survive this first vantage point, we should be good to tap into 191.54. So if we can if we survive this bottom wick, if we flip on this 5, well, yeah, if we flip on this 5 and take out the highs, yeah, if we flip on the 5, take out the highs, we should be good to drive up to 191.54 over there. Let's see. Okay, I mean, yeah, this pullback is hefty. Yeah, we might not survive the pullback. I mean, so the minute closed bearish. Let's see how this next minute closes. If this next minute closes bullish above these highs here, you're gonna drive up for sure. But let's see. You got about 8 seconds for this minute to close. Can we push up here? Okay, you're about to push up. Hey, push back down. Okay. Oh no, that is a bullish closer. Okay, I think if we flip on this candle, we should drive up. I think. Okay, coming up for a flip on the minute now. All right, boom. You just flipped. You should drive up. We should see a push up. We should see a push up. Ooh. The markets heard me say we should see a push up, and it was like, oh, who you think you're talking to, dog? You know what I mean? yeah, we just dancing right now. Yeah, I think let's focus on the 5 minute here. Let's see how this 5 continues to form. If we can take out those highs though, that would be nice. At least we know there's volume, right? We know there's volume. There is volume trying to push us up here. All right, pushing back down. Okay, pushing back down. Are we gonna get stopped out here? No, we're still in it. We're still in it. Yeah. I got a minute left for this 5 to close. Well, 2 minutes really. A minute 30 seconds. Let's see. Can we survive the bottom wick? I don't think so. Okay. We're about to kiss our BE. We are about to kiss our BE. Yeah, this is just playing with us, man. This joint just playing with us. Yo, hey, bro, this is crazy. It's just playing with us, man. Pause. All right, we got 1 minute left for a 5 closer. How did the minute close? Yeah, minute close bearish. I don't know. Oh, 5 about to flip up. Ooh, can we get a plot twist? Can we get that 5 to push up? I tell you this, if this 5 closes bearish, we're most likely gonna get stopped out at BE, probably. But we'll see. All right, 5 minute pushing up. Can we close bullish? We need a bullish closer. If we close bearish, we're gonna hit BE. I mean, I'll leave the stops at BE, right? I won't manage the position, but if we close bearish, we're most likely gonna hit BE. Because then you have a bullish closure, no top wick, and then a bearish closure. Usually that drives down. Okay, yeah, we're most likely gonna hit BEs now. Our only saving grace here is if we can come up here on this current 5 with no bottom wick. Well, we already flipped, but if we can come up here and tap 191.54, I'll close the full position right there, I think. Yeah, because most likely you're gonna take out these lows, which is where our BE is at, right? Just given how this formation looks like. So let's see. How did that minute close though? I mean, the minute looks better than the 5, to be honest, but just playing devil's advocate, you know what I mean? Just playing devil's advocate. I am not an advocate for the devil, but I will play it, you know. Like, all right, let's see. Can we push up here? Can we push up? Can we push up? Okay. Okay. Pushing up a little bit. Can we take out those highs? That's the 15 taking out its own highs. I mean, the fact that we're already pushing past there, right? If we can take out those highs again, we should drive up. But you see now we're flipping back bearish. Yeah, it's a tug of war right here. It's a tug of war because we have a level there, but we have. So what I think is happening is we got a bunch of orders, right? We got a bunch of orders for the buys, but we have a level right there. We have that rejection level right there, right? So it's like, which one is gonna prevail, right? Or we have enough volume here to drive us through, or is that level gonna hold strong? Let's see. Yeah, I'm a little tempted to just close just so I have that small bit of profit, just so you know, just to keep on building on that small piece of profit. But I'm trying to trade this like I'm not, like I'm not chasing anything, right? Even in reality, I am chasing something. Yeah, in reality, we are chasing the funded, about $30 off. Hey, we're about to get stopped out at BE. BE about to get hit ever so slightly. Oh my goodness. Boom. Okay, so BE just got hit. BE just got hit. Yeah. So BE just got hit right there. Yeah, that's crazy, man. That level was that stubborn. So BE just got hit. Damn it, breath. All right, cool. That's cool though. That's cool. So that is what, GJBE, another one, another BE for the day. Let's see. So now we got to see how this 15-minute closes. Our next entry comes off of this 15. Yeah, our next entry comes off of this 15. Let's see how we close on the 15. Okay, so trades taken. Let me update this really quickly. Trades taken. GJBE. BE record 50 BE. Monthly 11. Cool. All right, so let's see our next opportunity for a trade here would be this 15-minute closer. Let's see if we can close above on this 15. We close above on this 15, we have our vantage point up here of 15 pips. So let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens. So what was that? What did I take that as? 0.27. It'll be like 0.26, I think. Yeah. All right, 15 closing, respecting, unfortunately. Okay, so 15 closing, respecting, huh? Okay, let's see. Trying to think here. Let me see what gold's doing real quick. Let me see what gold's. How did gold close? So gold closed back into the range on the 4. All right, we closed back into the range on the 4. So you have a range to fill right here. Okay. Yeah, nothing clear on gold, to be honest with you, because now you've tapped this level, you flipped, you tapped that level a little bit more. Yeah, nah, I think I would actually prefer buys on gold if they set up. Yeah, I'll wait for the 30-minute closure on gold. As for GJ, all right, so GJ coming back down again, coming back down, creating that steeper bottom wick, which is cool by me. I'm okay with that. Yeah, we can tap into this level. Let me see the 15. All right, if we can tap into this level here, if we can tap into this level down here, I'll take the flip of this 15. I'll take a buy right there to fill this wick, to the left minimum, and then potentially up here. Okay. All right, let's see. We're basically knocking on the door here, right? But we didn't have enough. So like I said, right, that our initial entry, we were at odds at this. We were at odds at this level right here, right? Which is hence why we went BE, right? As soon as we tapped, well, not as soon as we tapped, but you know, as soon as we started to see that we were having trouble here, we went BE, right? Because yeah, basically you have a bunch of people like me that are like, okay, we've closed above on the 4 hour, we closed above on the hourly, right? So this really, in reality, this should be pushing up here, right? In reality, this should be pushing up here, but you have a level right here. This is still a level, right? You can't really ignore this. This is still a level of potential rejection, so can't really ignore it. Yeah, so it's like you tapped into that rejection, you got a whole bunch of motherfuckers like me taking those buys, so now it's a tug of war between the volume to the top side and the rejection off of that level, right? So now we tapped into that level, the rejection won the first round. My fault. The rejection won the first round of tug of war. Now we're pulling back to grab some more liquidity, some more volume, right? We went to go get some more muscle to hopefully win round 2. So let's see what happens. If we can tap into this level here, I'll take a buy off the flip of this 15. Especially, yo, if this 5-minute closes no bottom wick, yeah, if we can close no bottom wick on this 5, we come down, create a bottom wick on the next 5, then push up. Beautiful, we're in there. Well, we're not in there, but we'll take the flip of the 15. I mean, all right, let's see. You got about a minute left for this 5 closer. About a minute left for this 5 closer. Yeah, GJ doing its own thing as well. I actually put, sorry, not GJ, gold doing its own thing as well. I would really prefer the buys on gold, man, if we can get the buys anyways. I mean, we closed bearish on the 4, no? Yeah, so we closed bearish on the 4, so you know, there's that. But yeah, just looking at this daily candle now. Yeah, because once we flipped, really we should have kept on dropping. Yeah, if we don't start rejecting now, if we don't start pushing down now, yeah, if you can get that 30-minute closer above, I would be willing to take those buys. Damn, that's not enough. I want to see more of a bottom wick, man. Yeah, I can't take the flip. I can't take it now. Can't really take it right now. This 5-minute about to close bullish, really? Okay, no. We're still closing bearish on the 5. All right, 5 still closed bearish. I actually closed below there. Okay, that's interesting. So yeah, now I really need to tap into this level, man. I need to push down. Push down a little bit more, just a little bit more, man. Come on, man. You know you want to. Come on, man. Yeah, that's treacherous waters. Oh, is that what that is? Is that the same level? No, it's different, no? This is 191.346. Oh, why does that level not show up here? Hold up. Nah, it shows up. What level is this? What is this? Hold up. 1 second. Let me just clear these out. Oh, that's the 4-hour level. Okay. Oh, okay. Gotcha. Yeah, you closed above this level too, right? This level right here, which is the daily level. Yeah, that's the daily level there. You closed above. Yeah, we should be driving up here. Yeah, we really should be driving up. We should be driving up. I'm pretty confident for the buys here. I just need, with how we form now, I just need a steeper bottom wick. I need this to tap into this level here, and then I'll take the flip. But this 5 might just close bullish, and it's wraps from there. Yeah, I mean, I would like to be in on the flip of the 15 as opposed to waiting for the 15 to close bullish above, because I mean, it's a better vantage point, right? I mean, because if we don't get the flip, we're gonna have to wait for the 15 to close above. I mean, safest place would be above here, no? Well, I mean, above here would be cool too, but safest place would be above here, and then your vantage point. Well, your vantage point isn't terrible. It's just a matter of if you actually do start to push up here, are we actually gonna just stick around for like 7 minutes? Because we still have 7 minutes left for this 15-minute candle to close, right? So it's like once we flip now, we're about to flip right now. So once we flip, are we actually gonna stick around for this to develop, or are we just gonna drive clean through? Yeah, that 5 minute about to close. Yeah, I'm thinking, do we get in on the 5? Do we get in on the 5? And if we do get in on the 5, where do we need to close? Did we flip on that 15 or no? Barely? No, we didn't really flip. We didn't really flip. So this 5 would be this much, 6 pips. It's not the best, is it? Is it? That would be to take out the highs, 5 pips. Interesting. Okay. All right, let's look alive though. Let's you want to lock in here. Lock in. You want to lock in here. I didn't want to be here. I wanted to have left by now, but yeah, by 10 I'll call it though, because with what's going on right now, if we don't get an entry by 10, I mean, there's no point. Okay, we're coming back up here. We're about to flip. 5 minute about to close on in about a few seconds here. Let me see. Okay, and push up. All right, so that's the 15 flip, right? Yeah, 15 just flipped. Let's see how. Okay, if this 5 closes above, I'm taking a buy. If this 5 closes above, I'm gonna take a buy. Let's see. All right, let's see how we close. If we close above, I'm in the buys off rip. Okay, so we didn't close above, so I'm gonna wait for the 15 closer. So two things. We have no bottom wick, or sorry, we have no top wick on this current 5. So if we can come down here, make this bottom wick towards this level, I'm gonna take the flip of this current 5, right? If not, I'm gonna wait for this 15 to close above. I'm gonna wait for a 15-minute closure above, and we should drive. I just hope we don't drive before the 15 closes, because we still have 5 minutes here. That's a lot of time. Yeah, and that's gonna be the 9:30 open as well. That's NYSE open. So let's see. Yeah, C4. To be honest, if this 30 closes bearish as well on gold, you could drive down, fill this wick to the left. Just not sure where to put my resistance here. Yeah, where would that need to be? Down here maybe? Hey, you have a whole bunch of taps into that level still, so that would be down here. Yeah. Okay. That's interesting. That's interesting. Yeah. Hey, gold is forming for some potential sells as well. It depends. We'll see how this 30-minute closes though. Okay, that's what you want to see. All right, boom. So that's the bottom wick we want. That's the bottom wick we want. If we flip on this 5, I'm gonna take a buy. That's the bottom. That's the bottom wick we were looking for. If we flip on this 5, I'm gonna take that buy. We flip on the 5, I'm gonna take a buy. If we flip on the 5, I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna take a buy. I look alive, yeah. Like, all right, can we flip? Can we flip on the 5? If it's about a minute left, I'll just wait for the 5 to close, which would be the 15-minute closer as well. That'll be a 15-minute closer bullish above the range, and that would be fuego. All right, we're coming up here. Can we flip on the 5? Couple seconds left. Well, 1 minute left. 1 minute left. Uno minute. All right, 1 minute left. I'm gonna, so we flipped, but I'm gonna wait for so I'm gonna wait for this 15 to close. Once we can close bullish on this 15, I'm gonna get into those buys. To be honest with you, even if we don't close bullish, as long as we close respecting, I'll probably take the buys. It's a little risky, but I'm relying on the higher time frames to hold true. Right, I'm relying on this 4 hour, this hourly. Okay, so if we don't close above here, which we probably won't at this point, I'm gonna take the break of the highs, the 4 hour highs, instead of the flip. All right, cool. So we just closed respecting. So we closed respecting that level on the 15. Yeah, I need either a 5-minute closer or these highs. One of those two. Of course, your vantage point isn't as nice once you take the flip or once you take the break of the highs, but it is what it is. How did gold close? Ooh, gold closed bearish. Oh no, bullish. Okay. So gold closed bullish, but you closed bullish Oh no, above. Okay. Yeah, you closed bullish above. Or not, that's a lie. You're respecting this right here, no? Nah. Just barely. Yeah, you barely closed above on gold. Barely closed above, so yeah. This should drive up. That should drive up. That does make sense there. That does make sense. I wouldn't have taken it, but it does make sense. It makes sense why it's driving up, right? I wouldn't have taken it, but it makes sense. Yeah. Your vantage point here would be to fill it as wick, right? So that would be these highs. All right, back to GJ watch. Back to GJ watch, man. GJ, you really gonna hold me like this? You just gonna go back into the range for no reason? Come on, dog. All right, you got this 30 about to flip. So 30 close respecting. You're about to flip on this 30. Oh man, okay. I tell you what, I'm gonna, yeah, if we flip on the 30, I'm trying to see, I'm looking to the left here. Most times when you've done this, most times, look, respecting bottom wick pushed up, right? Okay. Respecting bottom wick pushed up. Okay. Respecting bottom wick pushed up back to this level here. So you would be coming back here. All right, let's flip. Oh, this is a beautiful bottom wick too. If we flip on this 30, if we flip on the 30 here, I'm gonna be in. If we flip on the 30, I'm in. But your vantage point now, as much as I would like to say it's the fill of this wick, I mean, yeah, man, cause damn. Wait, where's that daily level? Let me see. Where's that daily level? So this level up here. Yeah, nah, you closed above. You closed above for sure. So you closed above for sure. Where's that daily level? Let's see. Ah, it's up there. Up there, this low's down here. Okay. Interesting. Alright, if we flip on this 30, I'm gonna take a buy. We flip on this 30, I'm gonna take a buy. Yeah. Vantage point about, vantage point I would say is around here. Yeah, that's looking like a vantage point. All right, we haven't flipped quite yet. We're about to flip. I should start putting in buy stops again, right? Yeah, I stopped using buy stops just because of spreads. Hey baba. Okay, about to flip. Haven't flipped yet. Okay, this 5 minutes about to close too. Okay. I mean, I don't think it matters how the 5 closes, to be honest. Even if we close bearish, I don't think it matters. I just need this 30 to flip. Okay, bottom wick for the 5, cool. Okay, back to the 30. Close respect in here, right? This level here. Yeah, cool. I just need to flip. Okay, driving down here, driving down. Let's see. 5 minute flips. Probably guys gonna be a 30 flip as well. It's a little bit of a better vantage point, I guess. 5 minute flipping. Let's see. Can we get a position? Can we get a position here? 30 minutes. $26 vantage point. Okay, so we're coming back up. It looks like we're coming back up here. Potentially. Vantage point. That's the fill of the wick. All right. Come on, Price. What you want to do? What do you want to do here, man? Just do it. Just do it. Just do what you want to do. Hey, man. It's been a minute. Yeah. Bro, am I really gonna be here till 10? Come on, dog. Hey, Baba. All right, 21. 1 minute left or 2 minutes left for this 5 closer. Let's see. Can we flip? Can we flip by the 5 close? Can we flip? Can we flip on the 30? Yeah, I blame myself. If we took that gold, if we took those gold sales, we would have been out of here already. But now we gotta wait. Gotta wait. Eish. Oy fair. You know, a lot of time. I've said this multiple times, but like a lot of times people don't understand, man. It's just sitting around. They calling me out. Yeah, man. I already addressed the issue. I told them to meet me at the back of the Walmart. Yeah. No diddy. About to throw hands. Throw some serious hands, dog. Alright, let's see, man. Can this 30 flip? This 5 minutes about to close. 5 minutes about to close. If we can close no bottom wick, I would like that. That would be nice. That would be nice. If we can close behind this, behind. If we can close no bottom wick here, that would be nice. Close no bottom wick. Next candle opens up with a bottom wick. Then we start to push up to flip on the 30. I'll take that. Okay. Damn, no. We close with a... So that's a shit close. That's a pretty shit close. But this 30-minute position is still open though. It's still valid until we see a bullish, or until we see a 50-minute close, right? Of my EA. Word. That's the one that takes like the little profits, yeah. It hedges, yeah. All right, let's see, man. Bro, am I actually gonna be here till 10? What the fuck? Some bullshit. Yeah, I blame myself, man. If we took these cells, if we took this gold cells, we would have been out of here already. But you know, I just didn't like the closure here, man. C'est la vie, huh? My luck. That's my luck. Oh, not hedging? I thought it was hedging. Well, fault. Hey. All right. Yeah, once this 15 closes bearish, if we close with a bottom wick on this 15, we're gonna have to wait for an hourly closure. We can't take the 30 flip at that point. We're gonna have to wait for the hourly closure. Bruh. Yo, a brother just trying to get funded, man. Is it that difficult? Come on, dog. Sorry. It trades my strategy, but because I can't quite get it to have my seed to trade. Gotcha. Gotcha. So that means you don't. That means you take. Does that mean you take larger profits, but not as like the frequency of trades is not as much, yeah? But larger profits, I'm guessing. I'm assuming. All right, let's see how this 15 closes. Flip, bastard. You bastard. Just flip, man. Just flip. Rewind. Flip. Gotcha. Yeah, you better capitalize that G before lightning strike your entire internet. Okay. Gotcha. Okay, makes sense. Well, how's the account looking though? Still in profit, still in the green, I hope. No be that. All right, we got a minute left for this 15-minute closure, man. If we close bearish, I can't really take the sell. I can't take the buys off a 30 flip. I mean, I can, but do I want to? I don't think so. Man, I mean, I guess if the 15-minute closes above here, right? 15-minute closes above here, yeah, sure. Gotta drive down there. Yeah, this 15 really has to eat back up here. If we need to close at least above here on the 15 for me to take the flip. Yeah, for me to take the flip of the 30, we need to close above here on the 15. If not, c'est la vie. We gotta wait for hourly close, man, on some dickhead shit. Oh my goodness. Been oscillating. Times change like the video and maybe times change like the video. What you talking about, dog? What you talking about? All right, 15 just closed bearish. Hey man, 15 just closed bearish. Hey baba, looks like we're here till 10, man. I really didn't want to be here till 10. All right, gold already made its move as well. We've tapped into that level now. We filled that range. Let's see how if we're gonna keep on pushing. I'm a little wary of gold just because, you know, the move I was trying to play or take advantage of already happened. But it was to the downside though, so We might still get some buys here. Might still get some buys here. Yeah, I mean, you're pushing. You are pushing. You are pushing. Yeah, man. You know, at the beginning of the stream, I said I probably shouldn't be paying attention to GJ as much. I should probably be looking at gold, really, because GJ has just sort of been doing some bullshit the whole week. I mean, I say that, but I have gotten some profits off GJ, but yeah, gold's been the one driving for the most part. So probably should have been focused on gold, but it is what it is. Yeah, even this, I don't know how to take this. Damn it. All right, looks like we're coming. We might actually flip on this 30. We might actually flip on that 30. Let's see. So now this is your hourly. So if you close respecting, hi baba. Yeah, what I don't want here. All right, I'll tell you what though. Gold is pushing, but it's a shit move. Times change that video, and maybe times change is the guy's username. What? Oh, I got you. Gold is pushing, but it's shit move. Nah, I don't think so. I don't think GJ moved cleaner. Nah, this move up here was just news. This was just news. It is a clean move for sure, but I didn't even have any entries off this push up, so it just pushed. All right, it's just news. It's really just news. I mean, to be fair, this push down was, well, bro. If you go to the beginning of the stream, we let me not say we called anything, right? But we broke down gold like crazy. Like, it's crazy how well we broke it down, man. From the fact that this kind of wasn't gonna flip, to the fact that we drove down and we came down to fill this range here on the 4, bro. We broke this down crazy. But c'est la vie, we had no entries, so it don't matter. We ain't have any entries, so it doesn't matter. Invalid. All right, we're about to flip on this 30, yo. Let me tell you something. This is some treacherous waters we're in. But the only saving grace here is the fact that we've held support, right? We've held support here. We have held support. Which is these levels here. We have held support. Okay, pushing up. This 30 minutes about to flip. Why didn't this do this? Yeah, gold is on GJ on some bullshit for all right, let's see how this 5 closes on GJ. All right, let's lock in. Actually, let's lock in. So this would be the 4. Really shouldn't come back here, no? Okay. All right, that's the 30 flip. 30 flip didn't drive. Okay, let's see how this 5 closes. So 5 closed bullish, still below though. Okay, 5 closed bullish, below, nope, above here. Okay, if we flip on this, well, let me not say flip on the 5. If we damn, 15 looks ugly though. If we drive down now, that's fucked. Yeah, 15 looks ugly. But yeah, if we take out the highs on the 30 again, I'll take a buy. Yeah, if we take out this high again on the 30, I'll get in the buy. I will get in the buy. All right, let's see. Okay, attempt number 3 at 190.217. Cool. Attempt number 3 or number 2 or something. I don't know. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens here. Ay, 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 ay. Ja, 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 ja. Ja, 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 ja. Okay, hourly pushing up on gold. A lot of things happening on gold. Yeah, I think it's more of a daily move playing out on gold. Okay. Wait, whoa, 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 whoa. GJ, did we just take out the highs or no? Okay, no, we didn't. All right. As soon as we flip on this 30, I'm gonna be in there. As soon as we flip on this 30, I'm gonna be in there. Dun, 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 dun. Let's see. Let's see. I think this is the 5 flip. Yeah, so 5's about to flip. I'm not gonna take that though. I'm not gonna take the 5 flip. I'm gonna wait for the 30 flip. Again, the hourly is about to close as well, so keep that in mind, right? Keep that in mind. So you might just come up here, take out those highs, and then, you know, come back for a pullback. So keep that shit in mind. If you don't want drawdown, just wait for the hourly close. But I'm weighing the scales. I'm weighing the scales, and I would much rather, you know, I'm more willing to be in drawdown than to miss the move. So let's see. Can we flip on this 30? Let's see. Let us see. Let us see. Can we flip on the 30? 5-minute close in about about 2 minutes ish. 2 minutes ish. Bang, 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 bang. Can we take out those highs? Can we take out them highs? We're approaching. 905, look alive, look alive. Brothers came up from the side, now we on the other side. Okay, approaching. And all right, boom. So right there, we just took a buy. We just took a buy right there. Your vantage point is over here about 9-10 pips. Your vantage point is about 9-10 pips. But again, keep in mind, we're taking this right as soon as, I mean, we're gonna close on this hourly in about what, 5 minutes. So if the hourly closes bearish, yeah, you're gonna see drawdown, man. That's what's gonna happen, right? But hey, if that's what we see, it's what we see, right? But we in the trade though, so no going back from here. Let's see what happens. All right, let's see how this 5-minute closes. Let's see how this 5 closes. If we can close above the range on the 5, that would be nice. That would be nice. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So I mean, we closed back above the overall range. Not really the 5 level though. We're still sort of respecting that 5 level, but let's see. Let's see if we can have a push up here. Yeah, that 30 coming back. Yeah, respecting, came back up to here. Yeah. So yeah, let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens. We in the trade though. But hey, that 15 minutes still open, that 30, this 30 still open. So you could flip at any point. You could flip back bearish. Keep that in mind. Boom. Let's see. All right. Vantage point is 191.45. 191.45. All right, let's see. Let's see what happens. We'll most likely manage this off of the hourly close, to be honest. Because if you close bearish on the hourly, I mean, it depends on how you close bearish on the hourly, right? It depends on how you close bearish on the hourly and how you open. As long as you close respecting, let me see. You want to close respecting 191.33, right? If you close bearish, as long as you're above 191.33, I'm gonna keep the trade open. But if we close below, I'll probably just close the trade right there, to be honest. Yeah, even if we're in a bit of loss, I'll take the little bit of loss, to be honest. Yeah, I just don't, because I don't want to be here till 10, man. I don't want to sit here and draw down for no reason. So yeah, all right. Plus, if you close below, yeah, man, if you close below, it doesn't really make sense. Yeah, right. If you close below that level, then in my mind, at least, you're coming down for a steeper bottom wick on the 4, right? And if you're making a steeper bottom wick, where are you gonna go? You're gonna go, well, you're not gonna hit stops, but you're gonna go towards 190.7, right? You're gonna come down towards 190.7, which is like, it's a long day, man. I mean, it's a long day. I'm not trying to sit through all that. Not gonna lie. Not trying to sit through all that. But let's see. We got to close in about 2 minutes. Can we push up in 2 minutes? Let's see how this hourly closes. Let's see. Let me see. What's my brother saying? My setup supports the buys, but I think the trend is exhausted. Fair enough. Yeah, it's just this 4-hour level, the way we closed, right? The fact that we closed, yeah, we have a level at 191.42 for sure, right? Which is, I actually had the initial entry. I had the initial buys that that hit BE, right? I went BE at 191.42, and I hit BE on that initial buy. But why I'm getting into this position again is because this bullish closure is still, this 4-hour closure was still above, right? Was still above the level, right? You still close above the level on the 4-hour, and that 191.42 is not as strong on the 4-hour. So if you come down and you look to the left, you'll see cases where price tapped into that level, came down for a bottom wick, and then still came back to that same level minimum, right? So I'm playing, my whole thing is the 4-hour close is telling me we're gonna drive up. The hourly closure is saying, even though we've tapped into this resistance, we could still, you know, bounce up and tap into that resistance again minimum, right? Hence why I took the buy. So at this point, it's just a matter of, are we gonna push up or not? Let's see. Yeah, this closure is gonna be key. This hourly closure is gonna be key here. I mean, ideally you want a bullish closure, but I just want a closure above the range. Closure above the range would be nice. That's all I need. I ain't asking for much. I just want a closure above the range. Okay, 20 seconds. Let's see. 20 seconds. But keep in mind, if you get a closure above the range, you might just see price push up heavy, and as soon as you see that tap into the BE area, just literally go BE right there. All right, 3 2 1. Okay, we closed, barely respecting. We have no, this candle has no bottom wick. Yeah, that's a little dangerous, I'm not gonna lie. You might drive down here. Let me see. All right, so we're gonna manage it one of two ways. We're either gonna wait for a 5-minute closure, or we're gonna wait for price to hit our BE areas. If we don't hit BE by the time we close on the 5, we'll move our stops to wherever the lows of the 5 is. All right, let's see what happens. Now you have a top wick. If you're gonna drive down, you're gonna do it now, right? So let's see what happens. Yeah, 5 minutes. Yeah, I don't really like the hourly closure. I mean, we close respecting this level here, but not the overall. right? Not the overall level really. So we still have room to drive down here, which I am not a fan of. I am not a fan of at all. Yeah. Yeah, let's see how we close on this 5. This 5 closes bearish. You're gonna see price probably pull towards let me see. You're gonna see price probably pull towards 190.7. At that point, there's really no point in just sticking around, to be honest with you. All right, boom. Let's see. Let's see what happens. Damn, I really wasn't trying to be here by 10. It's already 10. Crazy. Godspeed. Appreciate it, bruv. Appreciate it. Let's see what this 5 do. Let's see what this 5 do. Let's see what this 5 do. All right. 2 minutes left for a no, 3 minutes left for a 5 close. Let's see. Yeah, 1 hour. 1 hour close like this. 4 hour. 5. Yeah, I really don't like the hourly closer, man. I'm not a fan of that hourly closer at all. It looks better on my broker than it does on TradingView, because on the broker we sort of still close respecting this, but on TradingView we really didn't. Yeah, you're driving down. Okay, so how many minutes we got? 2 minutes left for a 5 close. 2 minutes left for a 5 closure. Let's see. Can we get a plot twist? Can we get a plot twist? You know, a brother is just trying to go funded, man. Can you help a brother out? Markets, can you help a brother out? Yeah, damn. Okay, tapped into that level. All right, if you're gonna drive up, you're gonna do it from here. This is where you're gonna do it from. Because if you keep on pushing you down, right? If you're gonna push past this support level, you're gonna come down to, yeah, you can remind me I said this, right? I'm about to call the level specifically. I'm about to call a specific level here. Let me see. Where is that? Where did I see it? Where is that? Where is that shit? Hold up. Yeah, you're gonna come down to 190.6. Yeah, if you push past this level here, you're gonna come down to 190.6. Bet. You can tell them I said that. Yeah, I put all my money on that. You push past that level, you're coming back to 190.6. Okay, let's see. Are we gonna close below? Let's see. 5-minute closure in about 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Yeah, you're pushing. Yeah, you are pushing. Can we close no bottom wick? That would be nice too. We close no bottom wick at the level. That would be nice. And 10 seconds. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. And okay, closed. Wait, did we close or no? Oh, my fault. I'm on the hourly. All right, that's the 5. So overall level on the 5. So you closed respecting. Is that respecting? Yeah, my what's it called? My MT5 and TradingView look so different right now, which is never a good sign. That's never a good sign. Okay, so we're closing, or let me see. Pull up. Where's the zoom out? All right, so we're closing respecting this overall level here, right? We close respecting this overall level. Like I said, this hourly. If you're gonna close below here, right? If you close below on this 5, you're gonna drive down, right? So now you have this 5-minute came down, create this bottom wick. We're pushing up here, but we're most likely pushing up. If we're gonna drive down, we're pushing up to make a top wick. Where would we be making that top wick? We would be making that top wick at 191.146, right? Which is where we just tapped into. So right now I'm gonna move my stops to these lows here. I'm gonna move my stops to these lows. Yeah, so if we come back to these lows, if we take out these lows again, we're out of there. All right, we take out those lows again and we're out of there. And it's c'est la vie, right? C'est la vie. We gave what's it called? We gave the position a chance. But if we flip, take out those lows again, you're most likely gonna drive down. I'm not really willing to stay in more of that drawdown, to be honest with you. So c'est la vie, c'est la vie. Hey, who would have thought, man? So close to what's it called? So close to funded, and yet. Hey, baba. All right, let's see what happens though. Let's see what happens. If we can get a 5-minute bullish closer, that would be nice. Doesn't mean we're safe, but it would be nice. It would be nice. It must be nice. Yeah, I mean, at this point, you want to see this minute just keep on closing bullish. You don't want to see even a single bearish closure on the minute. You don't even want to see one bearish closure on the minute. Let's see what happens though. Let's see what happens. Different how? What do you mean? Different how? What do you mean different? Oh, you mean so my what's it called? My levels were different. Like the 4-hour candle looked different. Like, how do I say? Like as if like this. You see how my hello. So this 4-hour right now, it looks like a little bit. Oh, never mind. Oh, no. Okay, never mind. I was looking at something else. Never mind. I think I was zoomed in too much. Never mind. But with gold, it happens for gold though. Like my opening time on gold is always different from my broker or for the prop. All right, we're coming down. We're most likely gonna hit stops, man. Damn, bro. Damn it. Let's see. 5 minutes left. 5 minutes left. 5 minutes left. 5 minutes left. If there's gonna be a plot twist, it's gonna be here, man. If you close bearish, you're done. We're done. If you close bearish, we're done, man. So let's see. Can we get a plot twist? Can we get the Can we get a Can we get a remix? Cause I mean, to be honest, at this point it's luck. All right, because I think our initial idea for the entry is pretty much done. To be honest with you, I think our initial idea for the entry is done. So I'll look to potentially take a second position if we close well, like on the 15. If we close above a range or a level on the 15, I'll look to take buys up towards basically my entry. All right, so we closed bullish, which is nice, but now we're opening without a bottom wick, right? All right, we've made that bottom wick now. So let's see if we survive. If we survive and push up, to be honest, I'm not even convinced that we're gonna drive the way I think we were gonna drive on my initial entry. Yeah, I'm not a fan of the position anymore, which is why I move my stops to where they are. So yeah, for me to take, yeah, nah, I wouldn't. There's really no place I could take additional entries here, right? There's no place I could take additional entries here. Let me show you on my screen actually. So 1 sec. Let me see. 1 sec. Yeah, so my stops are currently down here. Like I said, I don't like how this looks anymore, this hourly. I'm not a fan of how this looks. So at this point, I don't really think we're gonna drive the way I thought we were gonna drive. We still could because this is still a 4-hour move, right? The 4-hour move can still play out here, so that could still play out. But I didn't really, I mean, I took account of the 4-hour, right? The 4-hour is a big reason of why I entered, but my entry was sort of on the hourly. So yeah, or was it on the 30? One of these, 30 or the hourly. So at this point, I don't like how this looks. So I don't really think this is gonna drive the way I thought it was gonna drive before. So at this point, yeah, we would need to see a 30-minute closure above to really confirm anything here. Yeah, I mean, the way we're even pushing up is not convincing, right? It's not a convincing push up. It's not a convincing push up. Yeah, like if the 15 can close above here though, if this 15 can close above here and then maybe we have a 5-minute bullish closure as well, I'll probably take some buys up towards my entry here, because I don't think if we're gonna come up, I don't think we're gonna come up past here. I think we're gonna come up here for a top wick and then drive down or just range. Yeah, so we'll see. Hey, I blame myself, man. We had some gold entries we could have taken earlier in the session, but we didn't take it, so we could have been out of here by now, man. But yeah, I think I'm gonna have to look back in my journal, because I think 10 o'clock has been bad for me. Yeah, I think 10 o'clock has really been fucked for me anyways. I think a lot of bad things happen at 10 o'clock. All right, let's see. You're dancing on this support though. You're just dancing around this support. Bro, I'm trying to leave, dog. I ain't even gonna lie. Just either push up or stop me out, man. I'm trying to leave. I'll probably trade Asian session though. I'll probably trade Asian, because I'm not gonna be able to trade on I'm not gonna be here on Friday, so I'll probably trade Asian session. I will probably trade Asian session. All right, 1 minute left for a close. Let's see. Are we gonna keep surviving here? I like the 1 minute closer. You see how this 1 minute you sort of made a support here, right? Respected support, bottom wick. Yeah, if I tell you what, if this current 1 minute, if it pulls up bullish above here, if we pull up bullish on this one above here, you should see a good push up. Whether the push up is gonna take us to BE areas, I don't know, but we will see. 20 seconds. I'm basically breaking down every single candle at this point. Every single candle matters at this point. Okay, we are pushing up a little bit. Let's see. Let's see. All right, this is the 15-minute closer as well. Yeah, 15-minute closer as well. So I mean, it looks good on the lower time frames, right? You're sort of held support 5-minute and all that good stuff, but look how the 15 closed, right? 15 closed bearish below. So, and now you're coming up with no top, with no bottom wick, so you're most likely gonna drive down. So as soon as you make a bottom wick here, we don't know where we're gonna come up for a top wick, but as soon as you make a bottom wick here, if you push back up and take out the highs again, you should drive up to BE areas, right? You should drive up to BE areas. But if you flip and just come down, you're probably gonna hit stops. You're gonna hit stops right here. So let's see what happens. All right, there goes your flip. Not yet. Almost. All right, boom, there goes your flip. Let's see what happens now. Are we gonna survive the bottom wick or not? Let's see, because this 15 did close below. You did close below on the 15. You did close. There you go. Boom. All right, let's see. This is I think this is the moment of truth right here. You're either gonna hit stops or you're gonna flip and drive up. I reckon this is the moment of truth. So we're not gonna be on here for much longer, thankfully. Is it the moment of truth? Yeah. Let's see, let's see. We hitting stops or we going up? What we doing? What we doing? I just hope we do it quick, because I'm trying to dip. It's 10 o'clock. We've been here for how many hours now? About 3 hours or something. How long we been here? We've been here for yeah, we've been here about 3 hours, man. I'm trying to dip. I'm about tired as hell. Trying to dip. Okay. All right, coming down, coming down. Can we hit stops? Can we hit stops? Come on. Can we hit stops? Can we hit stops? So we're gonna do one of two things. It's either we're gonna hit stops first or we're gonna take out those highs again and push up. But I can't guarantee that that push up is gonna be to the BE areas, right? But I think it is. I do think it is. If we push up, take out those highs, I think we're gonna tap into the BE areas, but I can't say for sure, right? But let's see. Yo, price is just playing around at this point, man. I'm tired, bro. I'm tired. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Come on. Like I said, right? I don't like the look of this trade anymore, right? I really don't like the look of this trade, but I can't just close it, right? That's why we've managed risk, right? So we've managed risk. Let's see what happens, you know. Let's see what happens. Lady Luck might be in our favor today, or maybe not, as we drive down. As we drive down here. Ladies and gentlemen, fasten your seatbelts. We're about to make a decline. We're about to land. No moving in the cabin while we come down here. Ladies and gentlemen, we hit some turbulence, so we're gonna have to go back up. Please enjoy the in-house entertainment for a little bit longer. All right, flip bullish again. Yo, price is just, bro, do something, man. Go down or up, I don't care. Just do something. I'm trying to dip. Hey, bub. Okay. Flip bearish again. Let's see what happens. 5 minute about to close in 30 seconds. 5 minute closing in 30 seconds. Let's see how we close on the 5. I wonder if we're gonna close respecting. If you close below, for sure you're gonna drive down, hit stops. If you close respecting, I don't even know. We might do either or. I don't know. Got a dip. All right, my bro. See you later, my G. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Okay. 5 minute closed. So bearish respecting. Okay. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens, man. At this point, anything can happen. Anything can happen. I don't know. I do not know. But the fact still remains, I am not a fan of the position anymore. There you go. Yeah, you take out those lows, probably drive down, huh? Okay, you're rejecting the support again. Can you push up? Boom. All right, there you go. Taking out those lows. Can you drive down? Get us out of here. And the inevitable. Dun, 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 dun. All right, let me let me.
Let's get ready to rumble.
And almost out of there, hanging on by a prayer. We still in there somehow, hanging on by a prayer, pushing up, hanging on by a prayer, pushing up still. Okay, come on, get me out of there. Still in, and we out of there. All right, boom. Hey, baba. All right, that's another L. Unfortunately. All right, man. Hey, it is what it is. Another L right there. Unfortunately. Yeah, it's 2 L's back to back. Watch price start to push up on some bullshit, huh? Yeah, but yeah, I don't really like the move anymore. If I wanted to take another move, it would have to be afterwards, maybe after a 4-hour closure. Yeah, it's pretty much it for me though. Let's just let's update the record. Let me see. Estrés loss number 3 for the month. Imagine we start pushing up here. Yeah, crazy, huh? So loss number 3 for the month. Overall record comes out to 15 L's, man. All right, that's unfortunate. All right, bet. Trades taken as well. That's GJ, or did that gold or GJ? Minus, how many pips did we see there? I was about minus volume price 372. That was about minus 34 pips. Yeah, about 34 pips. Minus 34. Minus 34. All right, man. Yeah, I mean, so if we go back and look at this trade, right? What happened in this trade? So as soon as that hourly closed bearish, right? We already said we don't like this position anymore, right? As soon as we closed bearish on this hourly, we didn't as soon as that happened, that this position immediately became like, it went from a 80% chance to a 20% chance, right? But the fact is, we were still respecting these levels here, right? Which is where, I mean, we've seen price push up from this level in the past, right? So we still respected that. We had a closure there on the 5, right? So we're sort of forming this support, which we sort of are still respecting, right? We're sort of still respecting this support, so we actually could continue pushing up here. You never know. Yeah, so yeah, that's pretty much it. Hence why we move our stops to these lows. Sadly, you know, I mean, yeah, right there. So that would be the level, and then push up. Yeah, I mean, if we were still in here, then yeah, we would have just kept our stops here. We would have just left it at that. But basically, we tapped into the exact level, right? We tapped into that exact level and then pushed up. So we'll see what happens, though. If this 15-minute close is bullish, we might continue to push up. We might not. Who knows? Yeah, I really should call it a day, but I'm curious to see how this closes. Yeah, now I'm gonna call it. Call it a stream right there, y'all. Appreciate y'all for tuning in as always, though. I'll be back on okay, so no stream tomorrow. Yeah, crazy that we're flipping now, right? Crazy. But yeah, I'll be back tomorrow. Oh, sorry, I won't be here tomorrow. So no stream tomorrow, but I'm gonna try and stream Asian session today, though. Yeah, so I'll try stream Asian session today, and yeah, man. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. And with that being said, peace.